recognizes the gentleman from Florida, Representative Bilirakis, for 5 minutes of questioning.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. I appreciate it very much. Thanks for holding this hearing, and I want to thank you, Mr. Secretary, for your service to our country, and thanks for being here today. Secretary Kennedy, one of the areas I've been passionate about is the need for the U.S. to continue leading the world in developing innovative, life-saving treatments, and I know you are too. So this is particularly important and challenging in the area of rare disease and ultra-rare disease, where cures and treatments can be much harder because of the economic and regulatory hurdles to developing treatments for these very small populations. One important tool in promoting this drug development is the FDA's Rare Pediatric Disease Priority Review Voucher Program, which has led to the approval of over 50 treatments for 39 different rare pediatric diseases, 36 of which had no FDA approval treatments before the program began. I was very pleased to see the President's FDA budget allocate funding for this Priority Review Voucher Program, and I have bipartisan legislation that would fully reauthorize the program for years to come. So the question is, Mr. Secretary, will you commit to working with me to ensure this critical PRV incentive is retained for American innovators to develop new treatments for children with rare diseases? And can you elaborate on any additional initiatives that HHS foresees implementing to further accelerate the approval of life-saving treatments?
Yeah, I mean, this is another priority for us. I've met 2 weeks ago with CEOs and investors in from the biologic space, which are developing rare disease drugs. I was down in South Carolina about a month ago with Senator Tim Scott, inaugurating an innovative program to provide sickle cell disease to every person on Medicaid in South Carolina. There's 356,000 Black Americans who have sickle cell. It's an agonizing disease. It's just one of those diseases that we're talking about. In the big, beautiful bill, there's a provision that will relax some of the regulatory impediments for getting approval from FDA for rare diseases, and I urge you to take a look at that and support it. And you know, Marty McCary now as the director of FDA is on a listening tour around the country, meeting with the innovators who are developing rare disease innovations. We are going to try to fast track that approval. We're using AI to fast track it. We're using an expansion of the compassionate use exemptions to expand it. And it's something that we talk about every day at HHS.
Very good, thank you. I have a question. 95%, the rare diseases, 95% did not have treatments, as you know, or cures. So I really, thanks for making that a priority. I look forward to working with you. Another question, I'm also encouraged to hear about the announcement last week to launch the Commissioner's National Priority Voucher Program, which aims to increase drug development in the areas the FDA deems to be in support of use national interests, which is so important. We saw this mechanism work successfully with the Operation Warp Speed and other efforts that the Trump administration has done to get red tape and bureaucracy out of the way and instead focus on accelerating gold standard science to develop cures. So the question is, I know I don't have a lot of time, can you speak further on the need for the National Priority Voucher Program and how HHS will broadly ensure U.S. leadership in innovative treatments and that those treatments are developed here in America?
We're using that program now extensively. We're very excited about it because it crashes through the red tape. It facilitates a very rapid approval of these drugs. We've already applied it to a number of new drugs, and it's something that we're going to, as I said, use extensively. So I appreciate your support on that. and I'm happy to work with you on it.
Well, I really appreciate it very much. I don't have a lot of time, so I'll probably yield back. But thank you again for thinking outside the box. That's what it takes.
The gentleman
Yield back.
yields.